Hello guys, this is Bondrilla again, bringing you another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be about this website I found. It is really good with loads of sound effects. I was actually looking through, I needed some sound effects for something and I found this website, thought it was really good. Why not let's make a tutorial for you guys. I've actually made a quick little testing thing on the sound effects. I've got like 2 sound effects, but played in different times. Probably thinking, what am I talking about? I'm gonna show you now. It is on my YouTube, so go check it out for yourself. But I'm just gonna quickly show you. Not that one. It is testing sound edit. I'll quickly show you. Really bad quality, I'm sorry about that. But if you listen, see that here? Yeah, yes, and that bigger bang. Yeah. Well, I was going to show you it, but don't have much time, so I'm going to show you how you get that. So we're going to go into Google. And then I can't remember it, so I'm gonna read it out quickly. It is it's www.stonewashednet, and then don't have to remember that, and then it's like free sound effects stone washed. I will put the link in the description below. And then you got like free sounds, animal sounds, sound effects, button sounds. All of these you can read it for yourself if you go onto it. We're gonna go on. I'm gonna click on free sounds. There is loads of them. As I see, I've been on some of them. I'm looking going people. You got all of these. You got loads of them. More voices. I think it goes on to about 5 pages. There's people laughing. A load of it. Applauses. Be quiet and listen.
Ah.
See that? Oh, or like you got like laughing. That was scary, but well, I think you've got pages of it. I think I'm not too sure. I think you do. Yeah. This is.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So another sound effect. That's good for if you want to use in your montages or stuff. That's all I really wanted to do because I wanted to let you guys know good websites. But what also I wanted to say is I really need some ideas on what to do, what you guys want me to do, what you need to know. Yeah, so comment if you don't know, if you got stuck on anything. I will reply as soon as possible. Get subbing, that'd be really helpful. And yeah, just like, comment, rate on whatever thing you like or dislike, really. Alright, thanks again, and peace out.